Hi audiences, today we will introduce one of the most famous scientists in chemistry. Is Mr. Lewis. Welcome Mr. Lewis. Hi Mr. Lewis, how are you?
I am very fine.
Can you tell viewers what we will talk about?
We will talk about buffer solution and titration. First I start with buffer solution. A buffer solution is one which resists changes in pH when small quantities of an acid or an alkali are added to it. An acidic buffer solution is simply one which has a pH less than 7. Acidic buffer solutions are commonly made from a weak acid and one of its salts, often a sodium salt.
Okay, can you give us an example of it?
Sure. A common example would be a mixture of ethanoic acid and sodium ethanoate in solution. In this case, if the solution contained equal molar concentrations of both the acid and the salt, it would have a pH of 4.76. It wouldn't matter what the concentrations were, as long as they were the same.
How buffer solution is important in our life?
The buffer solution is very important. Some enzymes or cells need the right pH to work functionally. For example is our blood. Humans' blood pH must around 7.6 to make the blood works properly and functionally. But, if this pH decrease below 7.4, blood won't work properly. Even the pH only a little below 7.4. The same case also happens if the blood's pH is higher than 7.8. Humans' blood will not work properly.
But, how our body can maintain this narrow blood's pH range?
Although there are a lot of chemical substances in our body that are highly acid like HCl, pH around 1 to 2. Buffer one of substance that maintain the blood's pH. Buffer solution is a kind of solution which consists of two kind of solution. A weak acid solution and its salt, or a weak base and its salt. Mechanisms in buffer solution allow it to maintain the blood's pH.
What about titration?
The titration is the most important. Methods of chemical analysis are used to measure the concentration of dissolved substances in solution, such as solvents, acids and bases. For example, if we have a solution to acid nitrogen, it can concentration by titration knowledge-based solution of known concentration.
Thank you Mr. Lewis. And nice to be here. Thank you audiences. Goodbye.